Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start PD2 syllabus and we are going to start from the lesson 5th. Lesson name is Working with Operating System. Firstly, what is operating system? Operating system acts as an interface between computer and you. Means here is a computer with you and you want to work on it. What is the medium between you and computer which is used for the communication? The answer is operating system. Operating system can be GUI, means graphic user interface, and text based operating system. Here by meaning of the GUI is graphic user, means in this operating system whatever you are working, that work is done by the graphics. For example, Windows 7, which is here in your syllabus. In Windows 7, whatever instruction you are giving to the computer, that instruction is given by the graphics. Means you have to click on the graphs, icons are there, buttons are there, everything is in the form of the graph. Now we are discussing the features of the Windows 7. Firstly, easy to use. You all know very well that Windows 7 is very easy. Everything is on the screen. You can perform the different functions. Multitasking means at a time you can do more than one task by minimizing the buttons, the windows. After that, searching is easier in the Windows 7. When you click on the start button, you find search button there, and by writing any text you can search in the window. And pinning the taskbar, you can pin any particular application on the taskbar and you can start that application directly from the taskbar. Arrow peaks, here this feature allow you to quickly view the desktop, means without minimizing all the application. At the right corner of the taskbar you find show desktop. On that desktop, on that button, if you click directly you can show the desktop without minimizing the application. Live taskbar preview, you can move the pointer to the taskbar button to see the preview its open windows in the full screen, and you can directly jump to the other applications also. Snap feature of the Windows. Here by meaning of the snap is that by dragging the mouse upon the Windows corner you can resize the application. Means if you bring the arrow to the right corner of the window and by pressing it, if you are dragging, you can resizing it. And the one more feature, shaking. By using this feature you can minimize all the opened applications. For that, what you have to do, the application which you want to keep open, move your cursor at the top of that application, means at the title bar of that application, and select it by mouse pointer and shake it. whatever the application is opened with you, that will be kept open, and all the other applications will be minimized on the taskbar. Next one, starting windows. When you start the window, the screen you are looking on the mobile, that will come firstly to you. Here on this screen you are looking, some small buttons are there, and this background, here it is written desktop, means the screen of the windows, main screen of the windows is known as the desktop, and the buttons which are located on this, these buttons are known as the icons. Icons are used to perform the different tasks, used to perform the open the files, running the applications, or depending upon the nature of the application. After that, start button. When you click on the start button, you can find the different feature upon it. For example, you can open your documents, pictures, you can open games, you can see whatever is stored in your computer, and control panel for changing the setting of the computer. Except that, default programs, device and printers are used for maintaining the hardware of the computer. Even you can find help and support for finding or taking the help of particular option of the windows. Finally, at the end of the start menu, you see one button, shut down, that is for shutting down your computer. So dear students, whatever I told you, if you face any problem in this, you can contact me. Thank you.